We're going on an adventure.
Where are we?
We're in Cunningham's Gap in, I guess still, it's in the scenic rim in Queensland.
What are we doing?
We're going to do a walk.
Which walk are we doing?
We're doing this one. We're going to the top of Mount Mitchell, which will be 10 k's. We're an American, 3,000 eagles.
Someone told me it was an easy track.
It's a kind of easy track. Actually, you know, I looked up 10 k's. It's 6.34 miles.
It's a bit loud because we're on the main road. But, you know.
Could be worse.
Are we prepared?
We're so prepared.
Prepared are you? What's going on with her shoes?
I don't know. I planned all this for so long and then I forgot my dang shoes. So,
We just started.
we're doing good.
I don't like
We
exercise.
haven't walked for a little while. It's fine. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. So you can see it. Beautiful. But all uphill. Why? Why do I agree to these
That's
things?
cool. We've got a fun detour.
We'll see how we go.
How you doing?
Breathing.
My socks keep falling down in my boots.
Only you.
Oh, look, he's right there somewhere. Oh, there he goes. I only brought, like, ankle socks.
What is it about it? How are you even Australian if you haven't done a walk in Uggs?
I genuinely considered going barefoot, but my toes would get cold.
So I don't think I'm gonna need my extra jacket.
It's a good thing your husband brought you that extra heavy coat.
I mean, I did say that I think I'd be alright, but you're the one carrying it, so
Well, I brought it just in case.
we're prepared.
But I definitely don't think we're going to need it because I'm about to take my jumper off too.
It's a nice day.
Beautiful day.
It's winter.
This is the bitter Australian winter.
Get your Ugg boots on.
Well, I'm prepared, man. If it got cold, I'd be ready. Good thing we don't have to walk up a mountain.
We don't have to.
We have to. It's here. The mountain's here. That's why we're doing it. It's like a requirement. It's a mountain there. You've got to climb it, right? All the trees, they look like furry because all the vines or like leaves are pushing their way out of the bark because all the leaves got burned off. Still, like another 6 months it'll be. You wouldn't even notice almost. I know. It's interesting because every like tree bark is black. There's no leaves on anything because the whole place was on fire 6 months ago. And it's all green again, but it's coming back. Super interesting. And these, they survive and they sprout their grass again. That's their seed at the top there. Huh. So interesting. We're getting there. I think we're getting there. I feel like we're getting there. But
We have no idea if we're getting there.
I reckon we're making good time.
There are no signs.
Well, my innate hiking sense says that we're getting there. What's the time? Alright, I'm calling it 12:35. We're 2/3 of the way there. Don't know. We've had good views the whole way though.
Yeah, I mean, there's no leaves on it like anything, so you can see through all the trees.
I suppose that's one benefit of the fire. Sad, but practically there.
Keep going, Ugg man.
Oh, good thing I have spare socks. My feet's sweaty.
Dennis found a snake apparently. It's on video. Right here in front. What kind is it?
I don't know. I didn't even know. Like, it could be a legless lizard from the looks of it.
No, it's really long.
Oh, it's a baby. It's like a foot long.
It's still bites?
Oh, I don't know yet.
And where there's babies. Take a photo of him instead of it. That means there's more snakes out. I don't want snakes.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
I don't like snakes.
I know, but he's avoiding us. It's sweet.
Huh?
He's avoiding us. It's sweet. Wildlife.
Give me all the birds and bugs and lizards. Animals. It's not snakes.
We still haven't found a koala on any walk ever, so.
I doubt there's going to be many around here.
Yeah, probably not. Butterfly, does that count?
Too what? Snakes are out.
See?
Say that walking pairs and people snake, huh?
I'm curious what sort of snake it was.
Brown snake.
Yeah, it wasn't, no, it was too pale, I'd say. I don't know.
Brown.
Well, because it was brown. Like all brown. Well, they're not all brown. There's black ones and red ones and all sorts of stuff.
The most venomous snakes in the world live here.
And the deadliest.
Yeah. Why did I come to a country that has so many snakes?
Because you got a wonderful husband. And he lives here.
They would have a snake if I'd let him.
Yeah. We could take him on walks with us.
No.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Come to a different section. Vines.
Markedly cooler too.
Clover.
And again, at a crossroads.
Over or through?
I suppose I'm going to try and go over. But you can make it through that, I'm sure.
Well, there's nothing with me through there.
It's a weird sort of limbo.
Come on, don't fall down, please.
It's okay, my Ugg Boots are made for this sort of thing, so it's sweet. Oh, I got my hair caught. Rude. This thing.
We just came out of the rainforesty bit. It's sunny and quite warm now. But look at this view. See the road way down there? A little hazy, but very pretty.
Very pretty. I'm guessing the one over there is Mount Cordo, which is another one that we could climb. I guess. Be a park ranger who might tell me otherwise.
Come on, let's get to the top.
We keep passing people.
They're going down.
They're going down and they see my face, and then they look at my boots.
And they shake their heads.
They've all hidden it pretty well, actually.
They all have hiking boots on.
They all look like they know what they're doing.
Wow. We've never claimed to know what we're doing.
Nah, that'd be crazy.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Hello. What are you doing? Flitting around. What kind of birds are those?
I guess honey eaters. They got, you can't really see in the shade, but their back's kind of gold and their neck's kind of blue, I think.
Hmm.
A rubbish Australian when it comes to naming wildlife though. I couldn't name what the snake was. I'm only guessing what those are.
Hmm.
Start researching.
Later.
Later. Not right now.
No. We're almost there. This warning sign, which is super obvious what it means, right?
It says, if you've got a bow and arrow and you're trying to shoot it off the cliff edge, a rock might break, be careful.
Are you sure?
That's what I speak Australian.
You sure someone didn't graffiti it?
No, that can't
And it
be
doesn't
the
mean
case.
don't get too close to the edge. Oh, look at these mushrooms. Fungus, fungi, stuff. Pretty orange.
See both sides now.
Don't mind my runny nose.
Whoa, yeah, yo.
Yeah. Oh, there. That.
End of track.
Just in case you were wondering, we've made it.
Awesome. There was fire even up here though. Crazy. So, my review of doing a hike in Ugg Boots,
Yep.
don't do it.
You sure?
Well, the little cool section in that rainforesty bit, that was kind of nice. But overall, 2 out of 10. Do not recommend.
So not a 0.
Not a 0. I mean, I've done a hike barefoot on like lots of little rocks. That was the pits. That was like a 1. But all of this, and he used to say there's another walk we could possibly do tomorrow if we're feeling up to it.
And if the weather's nice.
If there, I might be taking these bad boys for another spin. We'll try it barefoot.
So earlier I'd said it's a bit hazy, but actually I think it's a bit smoky because we see one fire there, another fire over there, and there used to be one
There's one,
off
I can
to
see
the
it still
distance
directly that way.
that way somewhere.
But if
Oh,
you keep continue around to the north,
It's
a little
very
clearer.
clear on this side. Interesting. Always fires somewhere. We don't know what kind of fires. Like
yeah, it
maybe
could be back.
controlled
Exactly,
fires
it could be
and
back.
probably. But it's interesting how often you can see fire smoke.
Big dry country.
We're headed back down. Little birdie leading the way.
Easy part, right?
How's it feel going down in Ugg Boots?
About as annoying as it feels going up in them, I suppose. Just keep having it walk funny so it don't steam on the back. Start the hiking Ugg boot trend.
I don't think anyone will think that's a trend to start.
I've got hiking Ugg boots. That sounds like a great idea.
No.
Edge of his toes are cozy.
Spikes. Some walks you take a different route back down. This one, you take the same one back to the warning sign, but thankfully I still have my child.
It was a close thing.
Thankfully not too close. Or I wouldn't have been happy. We've been walking a while in the dark. Didn't realize he still had his sunglasses on.
These bad boys, I can see the ground now.
We're getting ready to go back into the sun.
Those It's okay, I kept my sunnies out so I can just do like a transformer.
Could you do some clip-ons? I used to have clip-ons.
Did ya?
Yeah.
I'm not cool enough for clip-ons.
We're making our way down. I forgot to show you this bit on the way up. Turns into a bit of a jungle. All the plants are head height.
Everything else is burned or dead.
Interesting. Don't want to think about what's in the jungle. Just go through, go through. Stop for a second. Turn around, and what do I see? He stopped for longer than a second, apparently.
Felt like I had stuff in my shoes, my boots.
Your hiking boots?
Well, they got high tops, so I don't know how. Maybe it was just the boot that's falling apart internally.
Couldn't have waited till we were finished.
You stopped.
Come on.
Ah, like a new man. Come on then. What are we waiting?
If only you could see my face. We're getting closer. You can hear the trucks on the road.
It's like
There's beautiful.
Yeah, I'm pretty much a truck.
Are you? Don't think I'd ever call you a truck. Just saw a wallaby or patamelon or something. Smaller version of kangaroo hop through, but I'm not sure I can get it.
I can't patamelon, it sounds like a story.
Oh, there he is. See him?
Good spot.
Is it a wallaby?
I'd say so. It looks too big for it.
Yeah. It's a little wallaby.
I think they're more nocturnal, whereas wallabies not necessarily.
We made it. Can you tell? It's a little noisy. The entrance is right by the road.
In fact, we got to walk over the road to get back to our car.
So glad that it wasn't these noises all the way up. So much nature sound drown out. My car's still there. It's a good sign. Sweet. We made it?
Made it. We're alive.
Here comes a truck. So much traffic.
Oh, this is an oversized.
What time is it?
3:40? 4:40. Hang on, 3:40. 3:40. I can't. It's sunny on my watch. Okay.
3:40. So start at 11:30.
Yeah.
Around
4 hours.
10 minutes.
It's not bad.
Lots of stops on the way up and down.
And we had like
Sat at the top.
We had a picnic at the top. So we're half an hour over the normal time with a bunch of stops.
It's pretty though.
Easy.
Well, we made it back. Crows are a bit loud right now, but we enjoyed it for the most part.
That's good. I'm
Nice.
tired.
Feet are a bit tired, but
Yeah.
expected.
I'll get myself
His
a
feet
new
are
pair
really
of
tired.
Uggies.
But I'm gonna just have some dinner and relax this evening. So thanks for joining us.
See you on the next one.